Big Dipper upgrade kits are a great way to incorporate the latest in odor protection technology with your existing Big Dipper internal strainer, size 75 GPM and smaller. To determine which Big Dipper upgrade kit you need to order, you will need a tape measure and to follow these easy steps. Begin by removing your grease collector from the front of your Big Dipper. Using a tape measure, measure the front length of your unit. Only measure the length of the metal exterior. This unit needs a 22.5-inch upgrade kit. After measuring, return the grease collector to your unit. Order the upgrade kit that matches the length of your current unit. Upgrade kits are now available at www.big-dipper.com.